Right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is a video has been delayed by two things. One of them is that me choosing the wrong time to record anything at all, and probably a little bit of incompetence or me being a little bit slow for some reason. So what I made is this comment section over here, and yeah, basically it is what it says. So the comment section is basically made of three main components. You got the forum. That can be removed, and you got your button, and you got the section, the content section that contains the comments, and that's about it. When you click on the button, it animates a little bit. You see the little arrow. I mean, it's kind of a small icon, and I think I should probably find a way to make it bigger, but for now I like how it looks. What else? Oh yeah. The comment basically essentially looks exactly the same as the upload, the normal upload, except it doesn't have like the type thing over here. And you would have your options and so on and so forth. I also decided to add what do you call it? A drop shadow for all floating menus. So any menu that would basically ignore the elements around it, basically would be absolute position, will have a drop shadow around it, would be the same color as the foreground. And that is only so that it makes it a little easier to differentiate between it and anything else when it's happening. When you open it and close it, and you can have an idea where your mouse is pointing. And so far it looks so good. I think I tried it on mobile, and I can't say that there's much noticeable lag, but I'm wondering if there is any documentation I can follow for like optimizing my styling. Really, all the things that are being animated here is mostly the height, and there used to be animation for the borders. There is animation for the borders only for this menu, because I want it to hide itself completely instead of just removing it from the display, although I might just give it a display none value and just entirely remove it from the display when it hides. But yeah, that's pretty much it, I would say. I don't know what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think. I'm starting to think that maybe I need three, if you want to call it, primary colors or background colors, and we would be alternating between all these three colors so that we have the least amount of overlapping of things that have the same color. Or I can just change how these things are displayed a little bit. Yeah, I designed this icon, even though it's not much to brag about. There's not any functionality yet for how the text box or the text area will behave when you enter anything, and you can't exactly post anything yet, so some behaviors need to be worked on. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Another reason that this thing was delayed, this video, is that when I tried to make a a file for this video, a document for this specific video and also all the videos, for some reason my simple obsidian vault setup thing scripts did not work as intended, and yeah, that delayed a little bit, and it took me quite a bit of time to figure out what the problem is, and I didn't solve it because I'm not sure if I want to at this stage, because usually when I work on this project it takes too long, and the problem is because how I coded it, I just didn't do things the right way in any way, shape or form. So one of the solutions that I'm starting to think of is literally to reprogram the whole thing. So yeah, but not change like how the script reads commands from the user. But yeah, it's I don't know what to do. So I could stop working on the simple web app for a little bit and go work on the Obsidian Vault, or I could just forget about documenting videos or anything to begin with, and keep working on the simple web app. But I really want to have that documentation. So tell me what you guys think. I'll see you the next time.